Welcome to WEIR Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of March 13th, 2022, Part 1. This week's theme is naps. I Will Take a Nap, an Elephant and Piggy book by Willems. I am tired and cranky. I will take a nap. I like to nap. I am happier when I'm rested. I hope I have good dreams. Gerald! Huh? What? Where? When? How? What are you doing? I am trying to take a nap because I am tired and cranky. Plop. And a nap helps if you are cranky? Yes, a nap helps if you are cranky. I am sorry, Piggy. I am very cranky. Now I feel cranky too. Very cranky. Maybe I need a nap. Maybe you do need a nap. I will take a nap too. I like to nap with my special buddy. Ready to nap? Ready to nap. Sleep tight. Snurp, 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 snurp. Wow, what a great nap! I feel rested. I do not feel cranky. How are you enjoying your nap, Gerald? I am not enjoying my nap, Piggy. I am not napping. But if you are not napping, how can I be floating? And why is my head a turnip? Good question. I'm a floating turnip head. She's a floating turnip head. She's a floating turnip head. She's a floating turnip head. I'm floating. Also, I have a turnip head. Oh, hi, Gerald. Did you have a good nap? I sure did, turnip head. The end. We're going to do a puzzle. So your Craft-to-Go kit is a piece of construction paper and puzzle pieces. There should be 6. And all you'll need is a glue stick. So the first thing we're going to do is lay out the puzzle so that we know where everything goes. There's that. A little bit of a challenge here. That's not right. Aha. There we go. And it looks just like the picture on the paper telling you what to do. So then all we have to do is glue this together. So I take my glue stick and I'll glue each piece. Oops. Put the last piece down, and that's it. There is our Gerald and Piggy puzzle, and Gerald is all ready for his nap.